Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Honda CBR650F with ABS brakes. Only 9,266 miles on this beautiful inline four-cylinder liquid-cooled fuel-injected sport bike. It's got a lot of custom accessories, including the tinted windscreen, grips, grip tape, adjustable levers, fender eliminator, integrated turn signals, rear luggage rack, seat cowl, and the bike has been lowered, so it's got a really nice low seat height, 2 brand new tires. It's got special lighting in the front, and this thing is loaded. Did I mention that it was pink? Oh, you probably noticed that. Only $59.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. If you're a 5-footer, this one's gonna fit you, so come on by. She ain't gonna last long. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.